Hey folks, Rob with Nash here. When I got into this industry less than 10 years ago, somebody told me that the foundation repair and waterproofing industry was basically the Wild West. I didn't really know what that meant until I had a couple of years under my belt, and then I realized that the reason it's called that is because there really is no set of standards by which everybody operates. You can have a homeowner that has a crack in their basement wall. They'll get a quote for $1,500 from one company and $50,000 from another. And that's why I got excited about the NFRA, because it was an organization that was committed to raising the bar across the industry to give every company from the smallest to the largest a standardized way of doing things in the end that benefits the homeowners and every business involved. A part of it, we're excited to be the title sponsor for this year's event, but that's just the beginning for us. We believe this organization has a purpose, we believe our industry needs it, and we believe homeowners need it. So please, join us at the conference, join the NFRA, not just for this year, but for years to come, and let's make this industry better for everyone.